Hey there. So this is a video that should hopefully help going over what we're working on this week. If you're looking at this at home, since we are on a remote day today, Monday, January 4th, you can look through the virtual meeting things with the slides. It's just kind of something that goes over what virtual times may look like. You don't have anything you have to do for it. If you open this document, it says Docs, Refresh, Recap, and Preview. It is bolded. That goes over our next 4 weeks together. Again, you don't need to do anything with that. But it just has refresh and recap of what we've done, what is going to happen, and then this is the rest of your semester 1 right here. So just look at that so you're aware. This slides, we're going, you don't do it on your own. We'll do it the next time we're all together, whether that is virtually or in person. This next, the fourth thing right here, slides, what's your word? That is your task. So your task is to do this activity with what's your one word. There are directions that go through it. Again, the text in purple is kind of notes from me, remember? Directions, obviously, with, if it loads, there we go. The slide 4 and 6 where it says share, if we're not doing this as a group in class, then that won't happen. We'll share at a later point. But your directions are in here. There's spaces to do it in here. Oops, I will change that and get rid of that yellow for you when I'm done this video. So that is your task for today, to just kind of think about your one word for 2021. It's a new year, so it's a word that will help you focus on this year. It'll help kind of frame or give you a way to maybe think about some actions or thoughts or decisions that you're making throughout this year. And not just the school year, right? Like the whole year. So January 2021 to December 2021. Like what word do you want to have show up in your life? And then there are a bunch of examples right there. So that is your main task for today. I know that this day is a bit weird. It's a bit weird to do our first fully remote day the day after break. So there's this form right here where whether it is about remote work or what it looks like when we're fully remote or when we're going to be back or the actual word work, anything like that is a form that you can do if you want to. You don't need to. That is that. Hopefully I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. And we'll kind of go back over a bunch of this stuff, especially kind of previewing what our next few weeks are going to look like and starting our next unit and kind of how we're going to be spending our time.